Now, what we got to remember is we're going to do it. Most videos show you going this way, but we're not. We're going to go this way. I think it's neater and it's cleaner. But first of all, we need to cut the tube off, and you need to visualise what you think the amount that you're going to want to come out. So I'm just going to cut it, and you cut it across at an angle like that, and that's going to be the angle that it's going to sit on. Right, now then, first of all though, we're going to cut the inside off. There we go. And then we want that sitting so that when we're doing it, it's... Sorry about that, I didn't show you how I did it, but basically I just did it like that. So, now then, here we go then. So we make sure that you need a little bit of something. You need a little bit of something to keep the tube clean. And we'll make sure we got it coming out evenly. Right, here we go. And then it's a simple case of this. And you see, take that off, and then so. And you see, that's pretty neat, and we haven't wasted anything, have we? Then all you need then is a wet finger, and just so. I'm happy with that. Oh. There we go. Yeah, that's neat, isn't it? And then that bit, I'll let that dry and then take it off after it's dried. Yeah. So let's go along the back now. And if there's any little bits where you're not happy, where it's come up a bit like that, you can just wipe them off like so, just to strike that straight edge. Like so. How's that? That don't look very bad at all. I think that'll do. And now, as you can see, I've put the plunger of the gun roughly in the same place as it is in the tube. The plunger in the tube, for want of a better word. And as you can see, we've used about 1/4 of a tube, and we've done a bath and right round the worktop, which is equivalent to 2 baths basically. So pushing it's got to be better than pulling it. Perhaps not as neat, but you don't have all that mess to keep wiping off of tools and things. Anyway, best of luck.